Today we're going to talk about your data and collecting information from your science investigation. Data is everything you see and observe. You have to use your 5 senses to make sure that you are watching, listening, and hearing everything that's going on in your investigation. We don't taste things unless we're sure that you know what it is. We also have to write down some measurable information. How much time? What's the length? Is it large or small? What's the mass? These are all part of the data collection. And to make sure that you get your data organized, you need to create a chart of information. So you are going to be able to fill out the chart. Later, you're going to use that chart to create a graph so that you can see what's going on in your science investigation. If you have good notes and you write down everything that happens, you create a data table so that you can record information, how much time it's taking, the length, the mass, then you will be able to create your graph. I would suggest you use Excel. Once you have your graph done, then you need to analyze what actually happened. And we write some interpretations. I call it your true statements. You're going to make at least 3 true statements about your graph. These are statements that tell about your graph, so the person who is reading your graph will understand it. It's got to be something a little more than my graph title is M&Ms. It must show a relationship. 50% of the people chose red M&Ms. 20% chose yellow M&Ms. It must be specific. Your data is very important. That's what's going to prove your hypothesis or not. It's what's going to answer your question, or maybe add more questions to what you've already wondered about.